Hello friends and viewers. The topic of our today's video is barter system, its meaning and its limitations. The word barter means exchange, and barter system, which was prevalent in ancient times or earlier times when money was not invented, it means that a system of exchange in which commodities and services were exchanged for some other commodities and services used to call barter system. Again, a type of system of exchange in which commodities and services or goods and services were exchanged for some other goods and services without using money is called barter system. Right? One example will make the meaning more clear. So for example, there is a farmer who has surplus wheat and he exchanges his wheat and takes cloth from a weaver. There is a weaver, एक बुनकर है जिनको कपड़ा एक्सचेंज करना है, देना है, बदले में गेहूं लेने हैं और फार्मर को गेहूं देके कपड़ा लेना है. तो यहां जो एक्सचेंज हो रहा है वो ये है कि फॉर एग्जांपल 5 kg of wheat is equal to, say for example, 2.5 meters of cloth is exchanged. So whatever exchange is done here is called barter system. You can note that money is absent. It is commodity exchanged for some other commodity. And this type of system was prevalent, was existent, was popular before the invention of money in earlier times. But it has many limitations, difficulties and problems. And to highlight major problems, difficulties and limitations of barter system, I have already laid out a list of points which I will first read out and then we will take up one by one for explanation. Number 1, first major problem, difficulty or limitation of barter system was problem of double coincidence of wants. Number 2, difficulty in measurement of value. Number 3, problem of storage of value. Number 4, problem of subdividing the product being exchanged. And number 5, difficulty in making deferred payments. Let's start with first problem. So problem number 1, major problem number 1 in barter system found or observed or faced was problem of double coincidence of wants. Double coincidence means mutual adjustments of wants, right? One example will make this particular limitation or problem. For example, person A who is a farmer and has surplus wheat and wants to exchange. In exchange he wants plough or cultivator for his farm. Now there is person B who is a weaver and has surplus cloth to exchange, and in return he wants wheat. इसे जरा समझते हैं कि एक पर्सन ए है, फार्मर है, जिसके पास गेहूं सरप्लस में देने के लिए है, बदले में उसे प्लाउ या कल्टीवेटर चाहिए. दूसरा एक इंसान है जो वीवर है, बुनकर है, उनके पास कपड़ा सरप्लस देने के लिए है, बदले में उसे गेहूं चाहिए. तो यहां ध्यान दें, पर्सन ए को गेहूं देने हैं, पर्सन बी को गेहूं लेने हैं, लेकिन फिर भी एक्सचेंज हो नहीं पाएगा, बिकॉज म्यूचुअल एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ wants is not there, because double coincidence of wants is not there. Exchange तभी हो पाएगा जब म्यूचुअल डबल कोइंसिडेंस हो, यानी कि ये फार्मर को गेहूं के बदले में प्लाउ चाहिए, तो अब एक्सचेंज कब हो पाएगा कि ये फार्मर को गेहूं लेने वाला मिले और बदले में प्लाउ देके गेहूं लेने वाला मिले, तो ही ये एक्सचेंज हो पाएगा. एंड वी फ्रेंड्स ऑल कैन वेरी इजीली अंडरस्टैंड दैट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू हैव सच डबल कोइंसिडेंस, and this problem used to cause great difficulties, problems and limitations. It was a hurdle in exchange during barter system. Number 2, second difficulty or problem, difficulty in measurement value. Friends, in barter system, we know that there is different exchanges means different exchange value. Suppose there are 1,000 exchanges taking place in the marketplace, then there could be 1,000 different exchange values. There was no common measurement value in barter system. This also used to cause many problems and create many problems. Say for example, we have earlier 2 examples already. Here the value of exchange in example number 1 is, say for example, 20 kgs of wheat is equal to 1 plow is the exchange value. In second example, say for example 5 meters of cloth is equal to 2.5 kg of wheat. Got it? So see how different the exchange value is in different transactions, different exchanges. Okay. Number 3, problem number 3 is problem of storage of value. During barter system, as money was absent and money was not there, the value storage was done or to be done in terms of commodities. Commodities were considered as wealth and properties, and we all know that services cannot be stored, and commodities are also not easy to store. For example, perishable commodities like fruits, vegetable, milk products cannot be stored for a long period of time. Right? Livestock, animals cannot be stored in large proportions. Not only that, you have to give them fodder. Not only that, you have to take all cleanliness and hygienic care. Right? It occupied lot of space. Right? It used to incur large costs. All these problems made storage of value very difficult in barter system. Right? And number 4, problem of subdividing the product. Many a times it was very difficult, in fact impossible, to subdivide the products in certain exchanges. For example, suppose in an exchange 1 camel is equal to 2 horses is the exchange. Now does that mean that if you want to exchange 1 horse, then it will be 0.5 or half camel? Is that possible? Can we divide camel into 2? The moment we divide camel into 2, it loses its utility. We cannot divide. Such problems also caused many issues in barter system. And another major problem, number 5, was, friends, difficulty in deferred payments. Deferred payments means payments to be made in future. Exchange taking place now, payments to be made in future in parts. We also call it installment system. It was not possible in barter system. You can pay money in installments, but you cannot make payments of commodities or exchange of commodities in installments. So credit transactions and installment transactions were virtually impossible in barter system. Right? All these problems and such other limitations gave birth to money, a common measuring rod for exchange. Okay? So here we are concluding today's topic, barter system, meaning, its example and its limitations. Thank you and bye till next time.